Hey guys, it's Shadia.
And it's Amara, and we're from
Sis versus Sis. And today, And today, we're doing a challenge, blindfolded trading. But the other person has to stop her from trading spikes. I do have quite a few spikes, so I'm a really nice girl. What do you want? Sorry guys, let me just quickly have a conversation with this person. Yeah, we're doing it on my account, and these are all the goodies I have. You've got to stop her from trading like my headdress. We're not letting anybody, we're not trading that at all.
Okay.
And yeah, these spikes. So yeah, no goodies. But we've got to stick with what we trade, except if it's spikes.
Yeah.
So yeah. Guys, we're not sisters, we're cousins, but we just do sisters. Cause why not?
Yeah, and anyway, she has a sister, so she can go with her sister if she wants as well.
I'll just do this person here. No.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, I've got closed by 8. Let me just check if they have anything called trade. Another person. You don't need to hold my eyes shut, though. So I'm going to do designer skirt. Okay, Abby. We need like a blindfold. Let me just look for something.
You stop! Don't do it!
I've got to keep my eyes closed. Sorry, somebody's at my den. Sorry, I've got to check. What now? I'm going to lock my bag. Okay.
Go.
How do I go down? Can you help?
Go.
No, go down. Am I on it?
Yeah, you're on the one.
Don't tell me what I'm trading.
You're on the bottom thing.
Okay, I'm going to only start with 2 items. Oh!
You got everything! Oh, I have to do it next. Tell me if it's a spike. Because you're not allowed to be spikes anymore.
Guys, I'm so happy if these decline. What? How is that, guys? This person's not accepted. So, my cousin is going to try. Okay, make sure your eyes are actually... Okay, bye.
Where is it?
Okay, just click somebody, anybody. Anybody.
I'm clicking.
This one. No, you've got to click on there. Guys, she's completely new at the game. I'll click trade. Ask me if you want help go down. Do a spike. I'm not going to warn you if it's a good spike. Do that spike, because I really need that spike. Okay, close your eyes and just hope you get something good for that spike. Carry on. Carry on. Okay, don't open your eyes. Do one more item. Let me help girl then. Wait, Abby. Okay. One more item. Wait, let me help you get back on it.
Let me go.
Wait, Abby.
What?
I'm trying to get you back on it, but you keep moving your fingers.
Okay.
Oh, there's no need to click it. Oh, I really need you to put something else in it. But oh well, we'll see what they do. If not, I'm actually going to try and trade for it. Because I want it to go by. Everybody seems to be AFK. Okay.
Next one. Oh. No, you have one more.
Oh, I feel it. Can I do another one? Oh.
No, you have to do that.
Ooh.
What? No, there's no more.
Oh.
No, no,
Okay, let's see. What the heck? How did I scroll down? Okay, let's see. This, oh, it's okay. It's person contract. Okay, Macraya. Abaraya. It's your turn. Find a person and trade.
Okay.
And now, go for that.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes properly.
Oh.
No. Hold Hold on, guys. Go ahead. Turn. Close your eyes. I know if you're cheating, I can tell. No, Abby! No. What? Okay, go then. Carry on. Wait, Abby, let me sort you out. Don't open your eyes. Okay, go then. You're clicking the wrong one. It's that one. Okay, one more block. Wait, let me just do it. Okay, go then. You can. Okay, no. Try that again.
No, okay.
What did I just? Okay, Abby, stop. Stop. Open your eyes. See if they accept, guys.
They're taking a long time again.
Obviously, they're thinking and looking.
Well, I'd say yes because it's whole four things.
Yeah, but that thing's quite there. If it's a spike for spike, then it's alright, as long as it's not a long spike collar or a wristband. I mean, like a long wristband.
Okay, next. I'm not sure.
Sorry, when I open my eyes, I'll figure it out.
No,
Oh,
no,
okay.
go to it.
Is this it? Yeah, I can hear it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I think that's a pretty fair trade.
Yeah, because they're mostly all wet.
Okay, guys.
Thing.
Oh, I know. Okay, let's try somebody else that I'm on.
Just click on.
Well, I think we're gonna do one for Abby, one for me, and that's it.
That's
Okay, go ahead. Huh? I know! Abby, stop! Wait, Abby! Okay, go ahead. No, stop! Take it off. It's a spike. Okay, carry on. You know what the boxes. Okay, let me get you in the boxes. Okay, go ahead. You've got 2 more boxes, let me get you into it. Okay, go on then. No, don't! No! One more box. You go ahead. Open your eye. Open them. Click it. Click the necklace. You are not trading that, actually. This is fine. I guess we've got to do it. Got one more for me, then we're gonna stop because we need to go to bed because it's pretty late. I'm gonna go for these. Okay. If it's a diamond spike, also don't rob me.
okay, next. Okay, next.
Here.
Not there.
It's not my fault I can't see, is it?
Down. Oh, okay, get another one. Next. Okay, that's enough.
Okay. Whoa, I think that's a pretty fair trade.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna end the video there.
What?
So-
Sorry.
Wait, what did I say?